Yeah, people. Yeah, man. Just stay go in my house and go and chill, you know. Yes, man. I'm gonna say big up my wife. Love her to the max. You hear that? Yeah, man. I'm gonna say big up my son, Kelvin. Yeah, man. I don't know. Big up yourself. And this one goes out to all of the fans who are watching this beautiful couple. You understand? So I say big up to all of the people who are watching it. You understand? Enough love and respect. You understand? Yes, man. And I say, love my wife, miss you. Hear that? Yes, man. You hear me I say? Yeah, man. So right now, me in my house, it don't really, it don't really assure as much. You understand? So yes, man, people, beautiful wife. You understand? See? Yes, man, miss her. Yeah, man. Yes, people. I will not show you. You see me, I say, yeah, this is the picture where I show you, say, all heap of kisses and all those stuff. You understand? After they miss you kiss, Sure. Yes, man. Yes, people. Yeah. Baby. Let's go on. Let's go up a pillar and think about me. You see me? Yes, man. Yeah. Fans, this is your call love, True love. All about it, All smiles and happiness. See it, my fans? Yes, yeah. Yes, all of the love for the people, for my fans, I want to show them, say, this is thing you call love. You understand? Love her from my heart. You understand? And we're gonna make a lot of videos. So guys, enjoy it. And peace out. Okay? Yeah, man. Big up. Gaza straight. Mad world. Up, my love. Big up. Peace out.